And I'm a history host here at the village.
And I'm Preston Cooley. You might remember me from such programs as Museum Monday. I'm the Director of Development here at Dallas Heritage Village.
Hi, I'm Sydney. I'm a history host at the village.
I'm Peggy, and I'm a history host at the village also.
So today we have a large box that we've been told is not breakable.
Oh my gosh.
Oh wow, it's shiny.
This is heavy.
It is heavy.
A little heavier. You gonna be able to get it?
I should have worked out before we did this.
What the heck?
What do you think it is?
Looks like it should be the head of a vacuum cleaner, but it's not.
A cast iron or
Cast
wrought
iron.
iron vacuum cleaner?
Okay, clamps down onto
It
the
definitely
table.
clamps onto something. Clamps here, and then clamps on that.
Yeah. I'm not gonna clamp it on, don't worry, but that's for putting it on the edge of something. You slide it in there and ratchet it down, so that means
And then that
it
turns.
sits like that.
So there.
And that's,
So it's too high for a cookbook holder.
yeah.
What do you think it is?
I'm thinking for a workshop.
Yeah. Because it's clearly a heavy duty cast iron thing.
But the fact that it looks like it's supposed to open and close and doesn't.
There's probably like some mystery to it.
I think it's old.
Because it's able to tighten.
It's not tightening much.
Well, if it indeed hooks, like imagine my hand as a table.
Or upside down.
And now it's even more confusing.
Coming off on my gloves.
Is it really?
Yes.
Well, good thing you're
All right, we gotta make a guess.
Weird. I have no idea what this would be.
Not a clue.
I'm saying.
Oh, wait a minute.
Did you figure it out?
It's tightening down. Finally.
Oh. So that's how it
There
clamps.
it goes.
I think this holds something. So I feel like it's like one of those paper holders that you have at your desk, but a lot more complicated and extra steps.
The only thing I can think of that would be big enough and thick enough might be like a saw blade to sharpen a blade.
Yeah, like a. So you would clamp it and then run it through. Yeah, that kind of looks like my knife sharpener.
I am going to speculate, given its heft, you can't see it on TV because it's so strong, but it is pretty weighty, that it's like something to do with blacksmithing or yeah, something to do with blacksmithing.
So I'm voting for something to hold a saw blade to sharpen it.
Yeah, because that's not going to go anywhere. So like
No.
wood shop utility saw blade holder, so you can sharpen it.
So I guess those are our guesses. What was yours again? A paper holder? Paper holder and blacksmith something or other. So there you go.
And that's our final answer.
Alright, so what we have here is a saw clamp. Very simple explanation. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with it. You would clamp this side to the table, obviously adjusting it using this screw, so it would be secure. And then you would use this part to hold your saw so that you could sharpen it. And the adjustment for that is right here. Yeah, a saw clamp. Is a saw vise.
Wow. Huh.
That seems like a lot of things.
Well, but no, then it makes sense though,